Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you about letter writing. Letter writing is a skill. It is an art, and letter writing expresses something what is in your mind and heart. So letter writing is a useful art for we all, but nowadays we see that mobile phone and mobile phoning has been stopped the skill of letter writing. Now it is only to learn and to see some letters are important. In that we see that letter writing here placing order letter, such type of letter you can place order to any institute or any person to supply what you need. In this letter we see that placing order letter means you place an order to a company or to a bookseller to supply what you require. Here the question is, you are Muskan of Devghar Public School, Kalyanpur. In this regard, write a letter to the bookseller to send books according to list. Now the writing skill, from at first we try our best to write the sender's address, that is called from Devghar Public School, Kalyanpur, Vibhutipur, Samastipur, because the letter is going to write from here. So at first we should write the name from where we send the letter, and we will write the place name, and the place name is Devghar Public School, Kalyanpur, Vibhutipur, Samastipur. Now we will write where we have to send the letter. Your letter is being sent to the Vaidyanath Pustak Bhandar, Samastipur. You are sending your letter to the Vaidyanath Pustak Bhandar, Samastipur to supply. You are requesting him to send books for class 10 according to the list. The writing skill of this letter is you request the bookseller. You have to request the bookseller to send books. So you must write, I request you. मैं आपसे अनुरोध करता हूँ, I request you to send books for class 10 according to the list. Whatever your list has been prescribed, you are requesting that bookseller must send books according to your book list, which is being attached. Which is being attached? The sentence is in passive voice, present continuous. So I request you to send books for class 10 according to the list which is being attached with this letter, जो इस लेटर के साथ अटैच, which is being attached with this letter. Now the question is, how he will supply books? You are sending price of books or not? The total price of the books is also being sent. The total price of the books is also being sent. How it is being sent? It is being sent by bank DD, bank demand draft of State Bank of India, which is payable at Samastipur branch. You are sending a bank draft of total price of the books, and that is payable at Samastipur branch. So the bookseller is being requested by you to send books, because you are sending the book list, the list of the books. You are sending the demand draft of the State Bank of India as total price of the books. So there is no any objection, or there is no any trouble to send, to supply books to you. You have written bank draft State Bank of India, which is payable Samastipur branch. I hope in this regard, you hope that you will send the books, means this you refers to the bookseller. So I hope that you will send, आप भेजेंगे the books, किताबों को as soon as, यथाशीघ्र. This letter will be received, जैसे ही यह पत्र आप पाएंगे, यह पत्र आपको प्राप्त होगा, आप भेजेंगे. Now you have seen, this is the figure of letter writing, this is the structure of letter writing, and in this regard you have easily learnt what you have to write in a placing order letter. This is placing order letter, and the placing order letter has been written in a formula, in a pattern, letter writing pattern. You have seen, this has been written on the blackboard before you, and you have learnt, perhaps I hope that you have learnt all this, what have you been taught. Once again, I request you, it means you are writing to the bookseller and you are requesting him to send books for class 10 according to the list which is being attached with this letter. The total price of the books is also being sent by Bank DD of State Bank of India, which is payable at Samastipur branch. I hope that you will send the books as soon as this letter will be received. And now, at the last, we write thanking, and here faithfully under this we write our name, and because this letter is being written as Muskan class 10, so here faithfully Muskan. You all will write here under faithfully, you will write Muskan. Thank you.